Go chasing firewalls. Please stick to the passwords and the rules that you're used to.
Your right guard for safe, secure, compliant IT. Fully managed or working with your team, we eliminate EdTech stress and stop cyber threats. Small IT issues fester fast, and hackers can smell them. Lather up onboarding and rinse away old accounts. Automatically create user accounts and clean up access when they leave. Manual handling is messy. Miss one and it's like handing hackers a spare key.